Who loves BTS? Who's in ARMY? Whose bias is RM? How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and if you purple BTS, then this video is for you. Today, kids, I'm going to teach you how to draw a Koya from BT21. So let's get into it. So to draw Koya, we're going to start with a circle. And you want to make this circle a little bit wider, not perfectly tall, but more on the wide side, so kind of like that. And then right in the middle, that's where the nose is. So we're going to draw a teardrop shape right here. And then the eyes are just little lines. So this is just a line just like that. And we're going to do the same thing right on this side. So it's just a line, just a line. And the smile is just a regular little smile right under the nose. So you should have something that looks like that. Now for the ears, all it is a circle. So we draw a circle, and then we draw the smaller circle right inside. And then we're going to do the same thing, but on this side. So circle, and then a small circle on the inside. So you should have something that looks like that. And he has some fur on his front, and all that is just the U shape. So right here, we just go down, and then we make a U shape like that. Pretty easy, right? Okay, now we're gonna do the arms. So in the arms, just start on here, and we're just gonna come out and then come right in. That's just pretty much it. So come out, and then come right in. And we do the same thing, but on the other side. So come out, and come in. Okay. And then for the legs, so you want to start kind of up here a little bit, and you're gonna come down. And then right when you get to about half, we're gonna come up. Right? And we do the same thing. Come down, come out, and come up. And there it is, Koya. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed through and I'm gonna color this guy. And there you have it, Koya. Alright, well, I hope you had a good time, kids. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. And until then, remember to let your light shine. And before I leave, Linda, I purple you.